Good day everyone, my name is Moses and today I'm going to be presenting DevFlow, an AI-powered code review education platform built for the code with Kiro Hackathon. So DevFlow, first I'll be introducing the live interactive demo for DevFlow, where in which you get to choose the AI exercise, be either Python or TypeScript, and then you get to choose advanced and also you get to choose performance issues or security issues or style best practices, and then you generate the AI generates the custom exercises, and then after that you start the code review. As you can see, the custom exercise has been generated, and then you get to track to see the code and track issues that might uh, that might be in the code, and then you get to review. And after you get the chance to review, you get to review, and then you say you submit the review, and then after you submit a review you get scored after that. And then if you feel like it's not correct and whatnot, then it's like that. So the reason like why I developed DevFlow is because it revolutionizes the code review education by combining AI generated exercise with interactive learning and gamification. Um, it has been built entirely with Kiro IDE, and this platform is built to teach developers how to identify and fix code issues through personalized adaptive learning experiences. Key features are AI exercise code generators, interactive code review, progress analytics, and gamification system. So how I use the Kiro IDE to transform my development was it was an instrumental in every phase of the flow development. I leveraged it by using its AI-powered features to build the production-ready educational platform by using the spec-driven development. I used the spec-to-code feature to architect the entire system. Started with comprehensive specs and the Kiro specs that define the educational platform requirements, AI integration patterns, and gamification mechanics. Kiro transformed this specification into working full stack code, and then I use the AI instead. I leverage Kiro's inline AI coding to rapidly develop complex components like the interactive code review interface, live real-time analytics engine, and achievement system. Kiro understood the educational context and generated pedagogically sound code structures. And I used agent hooks for automation, implemented the Kiro agent hooks in the Kiro hooks to automate key workflows such as generate exercise.md, update progress.md, and also content refresh.md, which refreshes exercise database with new AI generated content. And also multimodal development, use Kiro's multimodal chart to brainstorm educational UX pattern, discuss gamification psychology, and iterate on the learning feedback system. Kiro helped balance the educational effectiveness with user engagement. Development steering, configured a custom development guideline in Kiro steering development guide to ensure consistent educational focus, accessibility standards, and performance optimization through the code base. Uh, the implementation was the architecture is it goes as follows, and AI integration uses Kiro IDE, ChatGPT OSS with Lambda, runtime AI for dynamic exercise generation and code analysis. Also, this helps if you don't wanna use credits through your OpenAI API. You can use your local model. So DevFlow addresses the critical gap in code review education, making this essential skill accessible to developers worldwide through AI personalized learning. Why this matters is because it democratizes learning, makes code review skills accessible without requiring senior mentors, reduces production bugs, better trained developers catch more issues before deployment, and accelerates growth. Juniors developer gain senior level review skills faster, and teams develop consistently high quality review standards. The code is open source, and these are just instructions on how to run DevFlow. First, you need to have Olama installed on your PC, and you can also download some other models. Other models do work. I have fine tuned. I have a folder to fine tune each and every model to best fit your needs for DevFlow, so that you don't have to depend on only GPT OS only. And the setup is very quick. And yes, if you are ready to revolutionize code review education, DevFlow demonstrates the power of Kiro IDE in building comprehensive and educational platform. From spec-driven architecture to AI-powered content generation, Kiro enables rapid development of production-ready features that make code review skills accessible to developers worldwide. Thank you.